A verb phrase consists of a main verb and an auxiliary verb, only verbs, while a phrasal verb consists of a main verb and a particle. The particle can be either a preposition or an adverb. Before we dive deep into the topic, let's consider relevant terminologies. Number 1. Main verb. Main verb refers to an action word, e.g., run, sleep, teach, learn, laugh, sweep, etc. Number 2. Auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb refers to a verb that assists the function of a verb, e.g., is, are, was, does, have, should, etc. Number 3. Particle. Particle refers to a preposition or an adverb that alters the meaning of the main verb, e.g., up, down, in, out, forward, backward, etc. Now, let's compare verb phrases and phrasal verbs with examples. Kelvin is sleeping. The expression is sleeping is a verb phrase because it consists of only verbs, a main verb and an auxiliary verb. The word is an auxiliary verb while sleeping is a main verb. Now, let's consider the first sentence on the right side of the table. I plan to sleep over at my uncle's place. Sleep over is a phrasal verb because it consists of a main verb and a particle. The main verb is sleep, being an action word, and the particle is over, in this case, an adverb. In the second sentence under verb phrase, the athletes are running a marathon. Or running is a verb phrase because it consists of only verbs. Are and running. Are is an auxiliary verb while running is an action word and therefore a main verb. For the second sentence under phrasal verb, ran into is a phrasal verb because it consists of a verb and a preposition. Thanks for watching. Please like and share.